Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Not true about innate immunity is not influenced by hormones. True, it is not influenced by hormones. It depends on genetic constitution. It is not influenced by hormones. False. Actually, innate immunity is influenced by hormones. For example, in diabetes mellitus endocrine disorder, there is enhanced there is altered innate immunity, so as a result there will be increased risk of infections. Then it is dependent on genetic constitution. True. That is the reason why identical twins have same degree of immunity or same degree of resistance. It is not influenced by exposed antigen. True. Only the acquired immunity is influenced by exposed antigen. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.